Up for sale, 1969 AMC AMX. I'm going to walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 69 AMX, finished in factory correct. Bittersweet orange with tan interior. 390, 4-speed car from the factory, with its original engine and trans. It's a mostly original car, mostly original paint. Original drivetrain, of course, and it's a lifelong California car, which is what I was told has a lot of great signs for that as well. You know, AMC's kind of rusted. We all know that. So it's nice seeing one out of California, lifelong car. You know, nice, solid example. I forgot what I was going with it. It's also, I was told it was a Go-Pack car. There are signs from doing some research of Go-Pack cars without documentation. You can't say for sure. You know, okay, it's got the stripes on it. Anybody can buy the stripes, but it was a 390 4-speed. It has power front disc brakes on it, 7-blade fan. And I was doing some research the other day, a couple other little things here that you'll see. But anyway, you know, starting in the front on the car, probably its original bumper. The odometer does show 90,000 miles and some change. That could be the case. It's actually super, super shiny, but you see a little bit of like minor pits on it. Not rust pits, but just like that little marking from age. You see a couple blemishes there on the car. A couple other little ones there. Again, all original body panels. Everything lines up super nice. These fit perfectly. Perfect doors, quarter, trunk lid, all that stuff. Really nice. It had some recent work done to it, you know, for reliability, of course. New carburetor, which I have what was told to be the original one in the trunk, and I will show you that, with the original air cleaner. It has an Offenhauser aluminum intake on it. As well, the whole front suspension bushings were redone, which is nice. Starter, shocks, anything else that I kind of forget, I will of course will list in the ad. But here you go. Here's your original 390 engine, super strong running, very smooth, nice performance. And again, like Mopar's, painted in here, the color of the body, original Bittersweet orange, and this is all original paint in here, which is nice to see. There's your brake booster and master cylinder for the power front disc brakes. You see a new oil filter down there. It's got headers on there with a little bit upgraded dual exhaust, excuse me. There's the 7-blade fan. Something I want to point out that I saw in other AMCs is I might have the original radiator, because I was doing a little homework and I was seeing radiators like this with these numbers on there, so this is cool to see. There's your under hood, all original paint, cool to see. I think I mentioned it, but I don't know if I did. For whatever reason, you know, sometimes you just can't avoid it. A couple little bubbles on the corner of that hood there. See a couple marks there, a couple other little ones there. It's got Weld racing wheels on there. Expensive wheel, nice to see. Looks great on the car as well. Excellent fitment of the body panel. Again, a couple other, you know, little marks there in the paint. Let's go to the windshield here. You see your VIN there. No cracks in the windshield. Trim around the windshield is really nice, actually. Let's keep going down here. A couple other, okay, well no, those aren't blemishes there. That's coming right off. But these, a couple marks down there. I think I pointed that out. But the nice thing, mostly original paint. No surprises on the car. You see here, all original paint in the door jamb with the original tag in there. I took a picture of that. That'll be on the ad. Nice in here, nice metal, no repairs to that. And even in here, if you can see that, nice door corner there. It's received, looks like New door panels, new seat covers, new carpet, new door panel there. Possibly new, or mostly new dash pads, stuff like that, which is nice to see as well. So this all looks very nice. I think it was a short gentleman that owned it. Seatbelts previously, because the seats are raised up a little bit. There's your AMC steering wheel. Probably the original steering wheel. You see a little crack up there. You see like a little indent in the dash, but not cracked. Wood grain in the middle here is super nice. There's your AMX 07924. It's got a upgraded radio, like a factory style with the digital that fits nicely in there. Your 4-speed shifter on the floor. Zoom in again here. This is all really, really nice there. 97,034. Okay. I think I showed the seats, but if I didn't, there you go. Probably the original headliner, which is like a cardboardish. Couple little marks in it for being original to the car. And let me tilt the seat forward here. Here's your back section there. Because the 2-seater, it's a sports car. The only thing missing, you see the 2 little back door panels there that are missing, but they don't seem too hard to find. Let's keep going here. See a couple other little blemishes here on the paint. How did I want to do this? You see a little bit of blending up here. That's what I was saying, mostly original paint, so something was worked out at some point. And you kind of see it in through there. A couple other little, marks on top of the car here. $390 badges. And then just here, facing the ground, on the lowest section, you see a couple like faint bubbles in there. But again, like we're talking down, like the lowest you can go. Excellent fitment here. This fits up all super nice here, the way it should be. I would say chrome bumper just like the front. You see a little bit of marking on it, but extremely shiny. There's your dual exhaust. A couple little marks on the lower section there. Well, for whatever reason here, just a little off on the stripe. A couple little marks right there. So we'll pop the, let me show you the back window here. Trim around the window just like the front. Really nice condition. Glass is excellent condition. You can see the new carpets even carried back there, which looks really nice, of course. 2-seater, being a sports car, not a muscle car. It's got new weather stripping on it in the trunk, which is nice. Your original air cleaner and your carburetor. Move it around a little bit in here. Well, you got trunk mat. Original quarters. You see the original trunk, not painted, not messed around with anymore. A little bit of that original paint left over in there though, because probably painted body color to begin with. Move this over there. Move that over here. Show you this side. Same deal there. Here's your original quarters. Couple faint little bubbles down on that section again right there. Couple other little blems. I don't want to go too crazy, of course. Just want to make sure that you see everything. And that line carries on down here and around on top. A couple other little guys there. You see a couple little, minor stuff around the drip rail on both sides. A couple other ones. A couple others, couple bubbles right there. Lower rocker trim is nice condition. A few more there. And there. Poly tempered glass. But anyway, it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 69 AMX. .390 4-speed car from the factory. Lifelong California car. And with its original drivetrain, possibly original miles, finished in its original color combination, disc brakes, which are power, other little guys there, and we are getting to the point of the video where we're going to fire it up and then drive it. Thank you.
Roll your window down a little bit. Our 69s and 28s, this outperforms it.
Yeah. You have your keys?
Mm-hmm.
You have your keys?
Nope.
Okay.
Are we going back? back to turn around the other side? Right? There's the color.
Yeah.
Foot. Gas and the brake.
Yeah, long legs.
I didn't know this trailer was all metal. Now that changes things a little bit.